Stock number 6253 at Classic Auto Mall is this rare 1990 Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Coupe. This pedestrian car packs monster horsepower with all-wheel drive performance and has often been considered the holy grail of JDM cars. That's Japanese domestic market cars that were not allowed to be shipped to the United States until recently. This right-hand drive Nissan has only 67,369 miles and rides on 18-inch Volk Racing Rayseng Engineering 6-spoke wheels. Under the hood is a dual overhead cam twin-turbo 2.6-liter inline 6-cylinder producing 280 horsepower. And because the horsepower was likely underrated in Japan, it actually exceeds 300 horses. It has 411 gears and 4-wheel disc brakes, and you can see all the details in nearly 100 pictures at classicautomall.com. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next classic at classicautomall.com.